In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Etoro wallet in the UK. By the end, you'll feel confident downloading the app, verifying your wallet, and securely sending and receiving cryptocurrency, all while knowing where to check your balances and transaction history. First, grab the Etoro Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you're downloading the official app from the verified developer. Once it's installed, open it and sign in using your existing Etoro account details. If you already trade with Etoro, the same login works here. Have a stable internet connection so your first setup syncs smoothly, and allow any permissions the app needs to operate correctly. Next, complete the wallet verification. You'll be asked to submit a valid photo ID and a proof of address. This step helps keep your account secure and ensures full access to wallet features. Take clear, well-lit photos of your documents and make sure the name and address match what's on your Etoro profile. Verification can take a little time depending on demand, so don't worry if it's not instant, you'll get notified when it's done. To receive cryptocurrency, head to the Wallet tab, choose the specific crypto you want to receive, and tap Receive. You'll see your public wallet address and often a QR code. This address is safe to share with the sender. Always confirm you've selected the correct asset and, when applicable, the correct network before sharing the address. Sending the wrong asset or using the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of funds. If you're receiving a large amount, consider asking for a small test transaction first. To send crypto out, select the asset, tap transfer, and paste or scan the recipient's address. Enter the amount you want to send, then review the details carefully. Blockchain transactions are typically irreversible, so double check the address, the network, and whether a memo, tag, or note is required for certain coins. You'll see a summary before you confirm, including any applicable network fees. Once you approve, your transaction will be broadcast and will show as pending until it's confirmed on the blockchain. Finally, you can view your current balances, track your transaction history, and see which cryptocurrencies are supported right inside the wallet app. Use this area to monitor confirmations, review past activity, and stay informed about what assets and networks are available. Keep your app updated for the latest features and security improvements. And remember, your public address can be shared, but keep your account credentials private. That's it. Your Etoro wallet is ready to go. Stay careful with addresses and networks, and you'll be transacting confidently in no time.